Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. In this moment, I will show you how to determine the criteria of the result of final exam. I'm going to use Microsoft Excel. In the screen, I've been open this document in book 1. The first step, we should create the title of the document. For example, the result of final exam. Okay, for example, grade 5A, Sirnasari Elementary School. Okay, to create the table, we should put number, okay, name, it means the name of student, okay, and value 1, value 2, and value 3. Sum, average, and criteria. Okay, and then we match. Okay, we match this cell. To do this, manager, we should click Match and Center, and then Match and Center, Match and Center, Match and Center, Match and Center. Okay. To increase this, Control D, justify, and we put the outside border. Okay, all borders, and justify. Okay, number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay, the title of this document, we can press the Control B, Match and Center, Match and Center again, and Match and Center. This view is symmetrical document, and I'm going to create Unyil, Uchrit, and Usro. But the name, if you create another name, no problem. I only create the Unyil character. Okay, value 1, for example, 56, 67, and 46. Okay, the value of Uchrit 70, 86, 93, value of Usro 70, 82, and 83. Okay, to determine the sum of Unyil's value 1, value 2, and value 3, we should put equals. Okay. In Microsoft Excel, equals we should put in first. Equals, okay, equal sum. Okay, number 1, number 2, and number 3. We can drag it. Number 1, number 2, and number 3 and press enter. Okay, to determine the value, the sums value of result of Uchrit, we just drag in right corner of sum of Uchrit, drag below. Okay, and the simple step, and we put the center of table. Okay, to fill the average row, we put equals average. Okay, drag number 1, number 2, and number 3, value 1, value 2, and 3, and then press enter again. To fill the blank below, we just drag on this right corner of average of Uchrit, drag below. Okay, the simple step, very simple step. Okay, just TV, and we can change into, okay, we can change into two decimal place in format cell, and use separator we change into 2 behind comma. Okay, and then before we determine the criteria, we should determine the passing grade. Okay. Passing grade. If the value of student is more than or equals to passing grade, so the student pass this exam. But if the value of student less than passing grade, so the student are not passed. Okay, for example, the passing grade is 70. Okay, to determine the criteria, this step is similar before. Equals, okay, equals, we are going to use the function of if in Microsoft Excel. If logical test, average of Unyil G7, if G7 is more, or equals passing grade, okay, I'm going to repeat again. If the average of Unyil, if G7 is more or equals to passing grade, okay, so, and we must put the quotation marks if we are going to create the value. Quotation mark pass. Okay, but if the values of student is less than 70, less than passing grade, question mark, okay, not pass, okay, and then press enter. Okay, the value of Unyil is 56,33. The criteria is not passed. To fill the blank below, we just drag the right corner of criteria of Uchrit, drag below. Very simple step. Okay, Unyil not pass, Uchrit not pass. Sorry, Unyil not pass, Uchrit pass, and Usro pass. Okay, this step is very simple. We can use the formula to determine the result of final exam, mid-exam or extra test. Okay, thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.